What's up, everyone? So if you clicked on this video, you already know what's going on, okay? Your girl spent the bag. She spent some coin. But today I'm showing y'all what I bought. I am opening the door to the makeup world, okay? Yes, round of applause. Thank you, thank you. It's about time, okay? Now, I just want to say, I took the time to invest into it because I'm like, you know what? I will not be left behind. Okay, I'm tired of spending all these coins on makeup artists every time I'm trying to go somewhere. I want to learn how to do that stuff for myself. So I took a makeup class, a one-on-one makeup class with Makeup by Jess, and I'm just glad I took the time to learn first before I went and indulged in buying a whole bunch of products that I did not know how to use. So the first brand that we're going to be unboxing today is the Beauty Bakerie line. Now, first off, I'm just gonna be honest. I love her. I love Beauty Bakerie. Okay, like I was stalking this makeup company before I even learned how to do a look of makeup. I mean, I didn't even own a foundation, and I was like following this Instagram, following their Twitter. This is the box. Yes, look at that packaging. So the theme of her company is cake, like all baked goods, baking, and I got me an eyeshadow palette. Yes, which one is called? Proof is in the pudding. Period. Oh, I can actually open this and show you what it looks like. Now, since I'm a beginner, make sure you can see that. I didn't want to get anything too crazy. You know, I'm still a little nervous about trying like those super bold colors and stuff. I actually bought all of her lipsticks too, not all of them, but all 3 of these. I believe 3 of them are in here already, and 2 are in the mail. Oh yes, this packaging. Like, oh my gosh. And then they have ingredients on the side. Ooh. I love how it says flashback. Nah. I got cassava, which is the yellow powder. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Yes. And then also, along with everything I bought in this package, and then also those 2 lip whips that I just bought that's still in the way, I also spent an additional $60 later on. Like, it seemed like I bought something from Beauty Bakerie, then I bought something else, then I bought something else. And so for Christmas, I bought my mom like $100 worth of product from Beauty Bakerie as well, so we can try it together. So this is the foundation I got. My very first foundation that I bought on my makeup journey. Look at that spoon. Ooh. And I'm in the shade, I think it's 315. Yep, 315. Yeah, that's my shade. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, that's my shade. And it's called the Insta Bake. Full coverage. Blending eggs. Yes, these are called the Black Excellence sponges. And this is what they look like. Oh yes. And then I gotta show my lip whips. My 3 out of 5 right now. I got a s'mores lip. Oh, I didn't even show the packaging. This is what it comes in for the lip whip. It's cute. I'm gonna swatch this. And these, you guys, this lipstick is the truth, because I went to Ulta yesterday checking out some more stuff, and I had swatched some colors that I ordered online, because I'm like, you know what, I already ordered it. Let me see what it looks like in person. And like you guys see, it's still there. Ooh, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. This is the Enchanted, the Enchanted lip gloss. Do you see that, like, crystal? I hope you can see that. I don't think you can see it. So that's that glitter. And that s'mores. I was looking for a nude, but I didn't want it to be too nude. The Cranberry Stiletto Lip Whip. Yes, that is gonna be so bomb. Gets my skin color. Oh, this is okay. I'm just gonna show what I got from Ulta. Got a Real Techniques brush, foundation brush. And then from Morphe, now is it Morphe or Morphe? You know, I always say Morphe. Maybe it's Morphe. I seen somebody call it Morphe. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I can't read. But I got the Glance Party 12-piece eye brush collection in bag. But it comes with a firm shadow brush, a chisel flush brush, pencil brush, smudger, brow highlighter brush, angle brush, concealer brush, blending brush, all these brushes. For the most part, I know what each brush does, but a lot of brushes I'm just like, that looks like the same brush. So this is what it looks like. I got the brush cleansing balm and scrubber. We'll see how it works. I've seen some good reviews. Who knows? They could have just been hyping it up. I just got that because that's what I used in my class. Then I got the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. And baby, these are expensive. These are $27 each. Like, since when? In the store, it was not this big of a difference. So what I could do is, I would still use this like my normal concealer, and maybe use this as like a highlighter concealer. So maybe mix them together, or maybe just put like a little bit of this at the top in the corner, like by my eye, but not all over my face, because that definitely just won't match. Okay. And then I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I got me an oval shadow brush from Morphe, the M167. And then I got the M536 concealer brush from them too. I was kind of playing around with that, and I didn't wash it, so that's what that looks like. I got the Juvia's Place foundation stick. Now, I didn't get this in my color. I got it in a darker color to do like a contour color, but it's a little dark. It's not trying to show up the way it needs to. It's like blending in my skin, but it's definitely darker than my skin. It looks way different in this light. You know what? Maybe Ulta just doesn't have the best lighting. Actually, it look way darker in Ulta. And then I got the Juvia's Place, the Queen Palette Fumi. And I guess you can, you know, switch it up and use it for how you like. But then when I went onto her site to see like what exactly is it supposed to be for, it said it was under blushes and it was under shadows. So I guess it's one of those things where like you mix it up and use it for what you see fit. I got an e.l.f. duo brush, and it's basically just clear brow gel. He won the only, the crayon case. Yes, yes. Oh, that's gonna be cute. I got the box of crayons palette. I'm late. It's okay. And that was $30. I was like, if I'm gonna support the brand, I have to get like, you know, the crayon case. You know what I mean? Like the crayon book. Now, I'm not sure when I'm gonna be ready to be dipping and dabbling in these colors. Before I get to the last package, I got me a Real Techniques flat contour brush. It was on sale at my job, so. Now, I didn't include this in my purchase total because this wasn't makeup. It was just for my makeup. I got this from Ross. It was $8.99. And then I also from Ross got this cosmetics bag for $15.99. My last package is from the crayon case. Now, I was so eager to open this box up that I ripped it just opening the box. And I was hurt. I was really hurt that I opened the box. I didn't know that this was going to be on the back of the packaging. So, On this package, I spent a total of $161.88. I got the infamous highlighter, okay? And so this is what it looks like. Ooh. And this highlighter is $18. But I mean, it's a pretty big case. Like, I didn't realize, at first I'm like, $18 for highlighter. When I went to Sephora and was looking at like Fenty's highlighters, they had like $30 for like highlighters, and they were not this big. So then I got the crayon case colored pencils. And these are just lip liners. I got some whiteout. Let me see. I got some whiteout. This is just white eyeliner. The contour, the Contoursition notebook. Some contour powders, and then also like a highlighter and then a blush in there too. Now, I thought I had accidentally took these out of my cart, which is why I ended up going to Ulta to buy those Morphe brushes. And then my package is here, and it's here. So I'm like, What I love about these brushes is, for someone that's a beginner like me, I don't know every brush. I'm not gonna fake it. So on the brushes, it says what the brush is. I like that. Thank you. Thank you for thinking about me. A small little angled brush with a spoolie on the end. I definitely did not mean to get 2 of these, but we're gonna make it work. So there's like a dome shaped end and like an angled dome shaped end. They gonna be mad. The girls gonna be mad. For real. Cause they thought I was doing a little something with the fits, you know. And that was just light work. I wasn't even doing my best with these fits I've been pulling this past semester. But oh baby. Then I got washable eye glue. That's just primer. But isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Like, it's glue. Makeup wipes. Oh, eyebrow pomade. I got dark brown. And then I also got ebony. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. So, I spent $700 on makeup. Do I regret it? No. I'm satisfied. I'm happy with my purchases. What am I going to be eating the rest of these few weeks? Noodles. But I'm satisfied with my purchases. I'm super excited. I feel like this was an investment into myself. This was something that I wanted to learn, something I wanted to, you know, try out. I was holding myself back from doing it, being worried about, oh my gosh, it's not gonna look right. I'm not gonna learn how to do makeup. I'm not gonna know how to get this stuff. One thing though that I stuck to was, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. Okay, and I know that it's okay to like buy things in increments and I'm gonna get something this time and then something this time. But I've been wanting to do this for years, like literally years. And I was like, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it big. I'm not nothing little. So that wraps up this video. Let me know what you think. Would you spend $700 on makeup? Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see me like embark on this makeup journey? Do you want to see like makeup tutorials? Not tutorials. No, too quick. Maybe like progress videos. How am I doing my makeup today type thing? Yes. And so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next video.